In this lesson, we will learn about the preferences in CS 3D imaging. We will look at what they do, what's recommended, and how to edit the preferences to customize the program for yourself. The preferences discussed here are for version 3.3.9. If you're not on the current version, please go to carestreamdental.com to update. To access CS 3D imaging preferences, once you've opened the program, simply go to the upper right corner and click on the gears. If you hover your mouse over the gears, it says Edit Preferences. This will open the Preferences window. By default, it opens into the General Preferences. The first option is Application Mode. We recommend this be set to Advanced, otherwise all of the imaging tools will not be available to you. Default Tab at Launch is a new preference option. This allows the user to dictate which viewing tab the software opens into by default. You can see that mine is set to Curve Slicing. As noted, these changes will take effect once you have restarted CS 3D imaging. The next preference option is 3D View, and another new preference option is a checkbox that allows you to turn on or off the 3D rendering. If you do not choose to see the 3D view, or if you're running the program on a computer which does not meet the minimum specifications, you may turn off the 3D view here. You will also notice a slider box for performance and quality and a checkbox for shading. These options refer to the 3D rendering and are also for anyone using the program on a computer which may not meet minimum requirements. According to current requirements, if your computer has less than 4 GB of RAM or less than 1 GB of video RAM, these settings can help improve software performance. The next option is for colors. Here, you may change any of the reference plane colors or the system colors. These may be changed to anything you like. The only recommendation we make is that you set the 3D background color to true black. The next option is measurement units. This should stay set to millimeters. Under templates, you can dictate which reporting template is the default for each of the mode tabs. You can also rearrange the layout of the orthogonal slicing tab to suit your preference. Please note that the 3D rendering is represented by the blue square. You may also change the default column count for the number of columns displayed under the Review tab. Next are the MPR preferences. The reformatting tool is a tool launched every time you open a scan from the indicated cone beam scanner. This allows you to rotate or reconstruct a volume. Here, you may also adjust the spacing between slices. We generally recommend that this be left at 1 mm. Another new feature under MPR preferences is the checkbox to automatically create an arch. If checked, the software will create an automatic panoramic arch curve when opening the Curve Slicing tab. If unchecked, the software will allow you to dictate the arch curve which is drawn. The next option allows you to set view orientation preferences. You can choose to view the axial orientation from the top or from the bottom. You may view the panoramic image from in front of the teeth or behind the teeth. And you may view the sagittal orientation from the left to the right or the right to the left. The default settings are the American viewing standards. The Export Preference button allows you to set a location where all screenshots are stored. This can be useful if you regularly use screenshots for presentations or email. Implant preferences allow you to change the abutment color, the color of the restorative projection, and the length of the restorative projection. Finally, the annotation preferences allow you to edit or create new predefined captions that may be used as annotations under the Review tab. If this is a feature that you use often, you can click the plus sign to create new preset annotations to be used for creating presentation images or shareable images. You should now be familiar with all of the features of CS 3D imaging preferences. If you have questions about this or any of our products, please contact us at 800-944-7200. 6365 or visit us on the web at carestreamdental.com.